This video will demonstrate how to install the Leviton Decora Smart Voice Dimmer with Amazon Alexa built in. The Decora Smart Voice Dimmer with Amazon Alexa built in provides hands-free lighting controls and the many benefits of Amazon Alexa voice services integrated directly into your home. Your voice dimmer connects to Wi-Fi and uses the My Leviton app. Please refer to the included Getting Started guide and be certain to follow all wiring instructions and diagrams. If you are unsure about any part of the instructions, or if you are not comfortable or familiar with working with electrical wiring, please contact an electrician. Additionally, you can contact dssupport@leviton.com or use the My Leviton in-app support tools. The top button is the On button. You can press once to turn on the lights, or press and hold to brighten the lights, releasing when the desired lighting level is reached. The bottom button is the Off button. Press once to turn off the lights, or press and hold to dim the lights, releasing when the desired lighting level is reached. Several microphones pick up your voice for Alexa interactions. The speaker provides audio output. The pull tab lets you disable power or reset your dimmer. The Action button provides LED feedback, glowing blue when Alexa is listening. You can press once to activate Alexa, or press and hold to mute Alexa. When Alexa is in the mute state, the LED will be lit red and the mics will be disabled. Lastly, the status indicator light illuminates when the lights are off so you can find the dimmer in the dark. It also provides connectivity and device status feedback. When installing and terminating the Leviton Voice Dimmer, have the following tools on hand: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, electrician's pliers, a wire stripper, electrical tape, and a handheld voltage tester. The process shown follows the general guidelines. Local codes take precedence. First, turn off the circuit breaker, remove the switch plate, and unscrew the old device from the wall box. Carefully pull the device out until you clearly see the wires. Use the voltage tester to ensure that there is no power present in the box. While the old devices are still connected, take pictures of the current wiring. Carefully disconnect all the wiring from the old device and remove it. Straighten out and separate each wire so that you can clearly see them. Make sure that none of the exposed metal ends of the wires are touching each other. Identify whether the wiring application is a single pole or three-way application. If wiring in the wall box does not resemble either of these configurations, consult an electrician. Note that in this example, there is a black hotline wire, a black load wire, two white neutral wires, and a bare copper wire, which is the ground. Keep in mind the colors of the wire can vary. The hot wire may be black or red. The ground wire could be green or bare copper. If you're unsure, contact an electrician. Now we need to identify the hot wire. To do this, turn the circuit breaker back on. Carefully use the voltage tester to test each wire. The hot wire will be indicated by the tester. Once identified, turn off the circuit breaker to shut power and test to ensure that the power is completely off. Use a small piece of electrical tape to label the hot wire. Before installing, it's important to identify the wires on your voice dimmer to ensure that you're wiring correctly. The Decora Smart Voice Dimmer includes wire leads to make installation easier. Black or BK is for the line or hot wire. The white wire is for the neutral connection. The red wire is for the load connection, and the green wire is for the ground connection. The yellow wire is only used when wiring in a three-way or multi-way application and is not utilized during single-pole installations. Next, you need to be sure that the wires are prepared for installation. Start by making sure the wires are straight and stripped. If not done so already, separate the white neutral wires. To start, take the copper or ground wire and wire it into your voice dimmer using the included wire connectors to secure the connections. Continue the same process for the white neutral wire. Connect the load wallbox wire to the red wire on your voice dimmer. Connect the line hot wallbox wire to the black wire. Lastly, put the included wire connector on the end of the yellow traveler wire. Tug on all the connectors to ensure the termination is secure. Now that everything is wired, we will test the device prior to fully mounting it in the wall box. Gently bend the wires and push them into the wall box. Partially screw the mounting screws into the wall box mounting holes. Restore power at the circuit breaker. The status light will blink green. Press the top of the dimmer to turn the controlled lights on. Press and hold the bottom button to lower the light level. Depending on the type of bulb you're using, you may need to make some adjustments to the settings via the My Leviton app. Turn off the circuit breaker to shut power. Complete the installation by tightening the mounting screws into the wall box. Install the included screwless wall plate. Switch power back on at the circuit breaker. Your DWVAA Leviton Voice Dimmer is now ready to use like any regular dimmer. In order to control it from your phone and enable the built-in Alexa functions, you need to use the free My Leviton app for iOS or Android. Follow the in-app prompts to create a residence. Add a device, set up the voice dimmer, and enable your Alexa services. From there, you can create schedules, lighting scenes, and customize the experience. Now we can test the integrated voice functionality. With Alexa, you can ask to play music, hear the news, check weather, control smart home devices, and more. Learn more at leviton.com/DecoraSmart or email dssupport@leviton.com with any questions.